Dear friends, today I am here before you to introduce an award to honor a personality who has been associated with the Quality Council of India for a long time. Professor S.K Joshi, a lot of you must have heard about him because he was a physicist par excellence. He was awarded the Padma Shri and the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India for his fantastic contribution in the field of science and administration. Professor S.K Joshi was the director of National Physical Laboratory, the NPL, as well as he was the Director General of CSIR, the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. He has been, every physicist knows about Professor S.K. Joshi primarily because he was a very common friend to each academician and researcher in the country. Professor Joshi was a huge contributor to one of our boards, which is National Accreditation Board for Calibration and Testing Laboratories. And he helped and mentored the NABL board as its chairman before we lost him in May of 2020. In honor of Professor Joshi, we thought that we should, in fact, celebrate successes and excellence amongst the laboratories in the country. And therefore, the National Board for Quality Promotion came forward and we instituted an award in honor and in remembrance of Professor S.K. Joshi. Any lab, whether it is accredited by NABL or not accredited by NABL, can apply for this award. And we want the good practices amongst labs to be highlighted and to be celebrated. And that was the reason why we have called for applications from any labs in the country who are into testing, who are calibration, proficiency testing, medical labs, any other lab which has been into business within the country for a long time. In fact, the labs were, and especially the NABL labs, were very important for the economy of this country. However, the COVID times have in fact ingrained in the collective conscience of the society about the importance of the labs. We used to read almost every day about the RT-PCR testing which were happening in the NABL labs, which were eventually recognized by the ICMR. And therefore, we thought that this important system in the country needs to be celebrated for their work and for their contribution to the Indian economy. And therefore, this particular award has been instituted by NBQP, and we want you to participate in it. And whatever best practices you have adopted, you should showcase it. And we believe that by doing so, you will be helping the laboratory community in the country to improve their performance as well as help the quality as a mission approach within the country. Thank you very much.